Hey guys, hope everything is going well. You guys know that drill. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and comment down below. Alrighty, number one, I wanted to look at Bitcoin and the price action. I'm going to be doing more of these videos. Just got a new laptop. So, yeah, I'm going to go from there. So I wanted to look at a few charts. I think it's Stock Money Lizards. I found this on Twitter, and they have pretty good charts over here. And in technical analysis, I'm not a technician. I like looking at technical analysis because I look at fundamental analysis. Okay. And this individual is saying that, hey, look, from the 2013 all-time highs to the Bitfinex crash, it lasted about 626 days. And you had the MACD crossover, which, when you see that divergence, bullish divergence, that will give you an indicator that, hey, look, there's potentially more buying pressure out there. And then bada bing, bada boom, you saw this bull run after that. Now, we've seen a few things. It's 2020 all-time highs, and then you had an all-time crash. Now we're seeing a MACD divergence based on what this individual is coming out with, right? So the technicals are looking fine or great. Sentiment is beaten up. So I like seeing that. Now, I wanted to look at fundamental analysis. This is an older article from Jeff Snyder. I like his work. And what he stated was that he believes that Bitcoin, this was when he was with Alhambra Investments. And as you can see from this chart over here, that the 5-year tips, 10-year tips tend to go in line with Bitcoin. You could see with these charts over here. You could see in color coding over here, 10-year break evens, 10-year tips, 5-year break evens, 5-year tips. And if you look at the line in black, you could see, okay, not every day the chart is in line, but if you look at it, it could be a good indicator that, hey, look, if the tips yield is negative, you probably see rising prices in Bitcoin. If it's positive, like it is right now, you probably see consolidation. So my thought process is, hey, look, I want to buy when you have positive rates over here, right? It's 1.3. And if you saw in what March of this year is negative 1.82, this 5-year tips yield, you know what's quite interesting? Bitcoin started to crash once the tips started to go higher. I'm going to put some data together where I could overlay it. I tried to overlay it on stockcharts.com. I couldn't, but you see it over here, right? March and April, when tips was topping out, look at it, right? Tips yield started to become positive, right? From negative to positive. What happened to Bitcoin? Crashed, right? A lot of people don't know this relationship. So I want to look at it from both the technicals and the fundamentals. I'm not a technical guy, but I understand some of the divergences out there. You see it over here. And from a fundamental perspective, I believe the Federal Reserve is going to pause. The Fed pauses like I think it will and maybe cut rates. What's going to happen to Bitcoin? I believe Bitcoin's going to go higher. But I did want to show you this because a lot of people, they use emotion when investing and speculating, and you have to keep your mind focused, right? You gotta stop getting emotional. You can't be over levered. You have to look at it from an unbiased point of view. And I'm not a Bitcoin bull in any way, shape, or form, but the price action is telling me, hey, this is a good time to buy. And what I said earlier was I'm not a Bitcoin bull. I'm not a long-term believer in Bitcoin. That's what I meant to say. But as of right now, Bitcoin is, in my opinion, attractive. Now, just because I think it's attractive doesn't mean that you go out there and buy it, right? I'm looking for stocks that are tied to Bitcoin potentially. I have a call option as a disclosure in Micro Strategy, that stock that Michael Saylor has invested in. I bought a longer term call option. I have some positions in Robinhood. I just put a call option for that, some call options. I put also for overstock.com. I believe they have some exposure to Bitcoin, but these are the type of videos I'll be doing more moving forward. And it helps with the new laptop. My other laptop just kept on freezing up. So I'll try this, guys, and hopefully you enjoy this video. Once again, this is not investment advice, me thinking out loud, me asking questions, and I'd like to hear your thoughts, guys. Thank you. Appreciate it. Talk to you later, guys. See ya. Bye.